We're going to show you how to remove the command unit navigation radio and for the Mercedes E-Class 2010 and up. The tools that you need is just this blue dashboard removal tool, and then size T20 Torx screw, and you need a small flat screwdriver and just a hook or something like this to pull the clips out. In the first step, you need to remove the AC vent and the bezel above the glove box. What you do, the first thing, you just drop the glove box down, and there are two metal clips under this cover. You just pull them out. Just use your hook or a flat screwdriver, you can pull them out. And basically, once you pull these two clips down, it releases the lock for this AC vent cover assembly. And this is the tricky part over here. There are two clips inside this AC vent, which I try to show it to you. And the clips for the lock for the AC vent, they are located inside the AC vent. You just have to put your flat screwdriver into the cavity in this the third blade, and then you pull it toward the steering wheel to the driver's side, and then it releases the lock. And you need to do the same thing on the same side on the driver's side. You insert your screwdriver into that behind the clip, and it releases the lock. As soon as I get this AC vent out, I'll show you how those clips look like. Once all those clips are released, you need to pop out the bezel with your dashboard removal tool. By the way, we've already made everything loose. This is just for the demo. And there are three plugs behind it, which you need to disconnect in order to get this whole vent assembly out. This is behind the vent assembly. As you can see, this is where the clip is. When you insert your screwdriver, basically it pulls this clip inward and it releases the lock. And you need to do the same thing on the other side. As you can see, if I put my screwdriver down here, it's going to pull this one inward and it would releases the lock. And this is the only tricky thing about this, removing this command unit. And then you can put this cover aside, and then you would be able to see the mounting screws for the command unit. Now I'll show you where the screws are. One on the driver's side, and then one in the passenger side, right there. And then you just unscrew those two with a size T20 drive. You just get them out. And once you lose them, you pull them out, and then you do the same thing. There you go. Yeah, you pull the command unit like about a couple inches forward, and then you can disconnect this plug for the seat warmer. And then you can completely pull the command unit forward all the way. And here are the connectors in the back. This is already disconnected. Yeah, to remove the plug, you just push this clip inward toward the clip and just rotate it over the plug. That's how it comes out. And if you need any repair for this command unit or the CD player or the radio navigation, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.